Teachers are able to send questions to student devices during a monitoring session. These questions can be created before, during, or after a monitoring session. To create a question before or after class, you log on to Dyknow and then click on the Question Bank tab. This will bring you to the Question Bank page. To create a new question, click Create New Question. You can choose from 3 different types of questions: multiple choice, true or false, or yes or no. You type in your question at the box at the top. So we're going to start with 2 plus 2 equals. For multiple choice, you fill in the options in A through C below. If you wish to have more than 3 options, you can click on Add Another Option. Then you mark the correct answer. Once you've completed creating your question, you press Save. To edit previously written questions, you can go to the pencil icon and click on it, and it will bring you to the Edit Question page. Once you've completed editing your question, you can click Save. To delete any previously written questions, you click on the trash icon, then click Yes to confirm that you would like to remove this question.